Alright, I'm solving three inequalities, peeps. So I am wanting to make sure we're remembering we have an absolute value, so we're going to have two different little problems we need to do. Your goal is to isolate the absolute value on all of these first. So we started off by isolating. We subtract a 4, we get a 12. Once I do that, I keep it as is, and I also want it to be the negative in the other direction. So I get x is less than 4 and x is greater than negative 4. So I have a 4 and a negative 4. I have less than, I have greater than. It is open circle because it is not or equal to. Same dealio here. Got to move the 3 first. And I end up getting, is that 5? And now I need to move the 1/2, so the opposite of multiplying by a half is multiplying by 2 over 1. See, cancel, there we go. So those cancel, I end up getting x minus 1 is less than or equal to 10. Here's where we do our two little spiels. We've got less than or equal to 10, and the very same thing, greater than or equal to negative 10. So we have x is less than or equal to 11, and x is greater than or equal to negative 9. So we have our 10, we have our negative 9, just kidding, 11. It is or equal to, so it is shaded in. I do want less than, I do want greater than. So we have 2 in a row that are kind of this barbell sort of look. Let's go ahead and look and see what happens here now. So with this one here, it's going to be the same thing. We're going to move the 5. And we are going to have a negative 4 when that happens. We are then going to divide both sides by a negative 2, which means we switch the sign. So I have 6x is less than 2, and 6x is greater than negative 2, so x is less than or equal to 1/3, and x is greater than or equal to negative 1/3. So I have a 1/3, I have a negative 1/3, and holy moly, these are all exactly the same. They aren't always that way, so be careful.